Building names. Do you know what place this is? This is a school. A fun place to learn and make friends. Do you recognize this place? This is a hospital, where doctors and nurses help us feel better. Do this place look familiar to you? This is a police station, where police officers keep us safe. Have you seen this place before? This is a fire station, where firefighters stay ready for emergencies. Do you know what place this is? This is a grocery store, where we buy food and yummy treats. Do you recognize this place? This is a bank, where people keep their money safe. Do this place look familiar to you? This is a post office, where we send letters and packages. Have you seen this place before? This is a library. This is where you'll find all kinds of books and stories. Do you know what place this is? This is a playground, a fun place to run, jump, and play. Do you recognize this place? This is a park, where you can run, play, and enjoy nature. Do this place look familiar to you? This is a restaurant, where you can eat tasty meals with family. Have you seen this place before? This is a dentist's office. Dentists help keep our teeth shiny and clean. Do you know what place this is? This is a train station, where trains pick up and drop off passengers. Do you recognize this place? This is an airport, where airplanes take off and land. Do this place look familiar to you? This is a bus stop, where you wait to catch the bus. Have you seen this place before? This is a movie theater, where you watch fun movies on a big screen. Do you know what place this is? This is a zoo, a place where animals from all over the world live. Do you recognize this place? This is a farm, where animals and crops are raised. Do this place look familiar to you? This is a supermarket, bigger than a grocery store, with more things to buy. Have you seen this place before? This is a museum, full of exciting things to discover and explore. Do you know what place this is? This is a church. A place where people pray and gather. Do you recognize this place? This is a mosque. A special place for Muslims to pray. Do this place look familiar to you? This is a temple. A sacred place for worship and peace. Have you seen this place before? This is a gym, where people exercise and stay healthy. Do you know what place this is? This is a swimming pool. A place to splash around, swim, and have fun in the water. Do you recognize this place? This is a stadium, where you watch sports and cheer. Do this place look familiar to you? This is a fire department, a place where firefighters stay ready to help in any emergency. Have you seen this place before? This is a theater, where you watch plays and performances. Do you know what place this is? This is a pharmacy, where you get medicine when you're sick. Do you recognize this place? This is a barber shop, where you get your hair cut and styled. Do this place look familiar to you? This is a gas station, where cars fill up with fuel to keep going. Have you seen this place before? This is a pet store, a fun place to see and buy pets and pet supplies. Did you enjoy learning about these building names? Explore more exciting videos on our channel and be sure to subscribe for lots more fun. Until next time, see ya!